കേട്ട് പഠിക്കുന്നതല്ല, എഴുതി പഠിക്കുന്നതല്ല, പറഞ്ഞു പഠിക്കുന്നതാണ് കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേറ്റീവ് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്. ഇനി ലൈവായി ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പഠിക്കാം സിസി ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഹബിലൂടെ.
താങ്ക് യു. സംസാരിച്ചോട്ടെ.
എല്ലാവർക്കും സുഖമാണോ? താങ്ക് യു സൂപ്പർ ഹീറോ മിന്നൽ മുരളി, fantastic. And also the super hit superhero, finally it comes from Ravino Thomas.
Hello Kerala, the one man, the reason, S.S. Rajmouli garu.
ഭദ്രദീപം കൊളുത്തി ചടങ്ങിന് തുടക്കം കുറിക്കുന്നതിനായി ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട മിനിസ്റ്ററോട് അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുകയാണ്. I request other dignitaries also to join the Honorable Minister.
The Kerala release of RRR.
ഹലോ, എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. താങ്ക് യു. താങ്ക് യു. സംസാരിച്ചോട്ടെ. ഓക്കെ. From the day the songs released, the teaser released, the trailer released, I am personally waiting for RRR. I am waiting for 7th Jan. So Bahubali was a huge hit here. Like it was a huge hit all over India and all over the world. It was a huge hit. I wish the team of RRR an even bigger hit. And I think in Kerala, നിങ്ങളാണ് പറയേണ്ടത്, കേരളത്തിൽ അതിനേക്കാളും വലിയ ഹിറ്റ് ആയിരിക്കുമല്ലേ? See, it will be a bigger hit. ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷം ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഇവന്റിന്റെ ഭാഗമാവാൻ സാധിച്ചതിൽ, നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരെയും കാണാൻ സാധിച്ചതിൽ ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷം. നിങ്ങളെ കാണിക്കുന്ന സ്നേഹമൊക്കെ ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷം. നമ്മുടെ അതിഥികളാണ് ഇവരുടെ സിനിമ ജാനുവരി 7-ാം തീയതി ഇറങ്ങുമ്പോൾ ആദ്യ ദിവസം തിയേറ്ററിൽ പോയി കാണുന്ന ആൾക്കാരിൽ ഒരാൾ ഞാനായിരിക്കും, ബാക്കി നിങ്ങളായിരിക്കും. സോ വിഷിംഗ് ഓൾ ദ വെരി ബെസ്റ്റ് ടു ദി ഹോൾ ടീം ഓഫ് RRR. പിന്നെ ഞാനിവിടെ വരുന്നതിന് ഒരു കാരണം കൂടെയുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ അഭിനയിച്ച ABCD എന്ന് പറയുന്ന സിനിമയുടെ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസർ ഷിബു തമീൻസ്, അദ്ദേഹമാണ് ഈ സിനിമ ഇവിടെ ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഞങ്ങൾ വർഷങ്ങൾക്ക് ശേഷമാണ് കാണുന്നത്. ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷം. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും എല്ലാം നല്ലത് മാത്രം വരട്ടെ. എല്ലാ സ്നേഹത്തിനും ഒരുപാട് നന്ദി. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. എല്ലാവർക്കും സുഖമാണോ? Okay. First of all, I have to thank my producer Danai garu. He has given me a advance 13 years back, and in between, even though I said he can do films like Echa and Maryad Ramana, he said, no sir, I want to do only big film with you. And today I am so happy that he is doing the biggest film of India, the biggest multi-starrer. Danai garu, thank you for waiting so many days for me, so many years for me. And I should thank Shibu sir. I mean, the funny thing is, I didn't even know that he took the rights of RRR. Danegar was telling my good friend has come in to take the rights. He didn't tell his name. And I didn't know Shibu was, I know Shibu sir before. He's a close friend of my father. We met many times. I didn't know he was taking. Then I met him suddenly and I asked him, Shibu sir, what are you doing here? And he said, sir, I came here and took the rights of RRR. I'm so happy because he's so passionate about films. And, we feel so secure that RRR is in good hands as far as Kerala is concerned. And thank you, superhero Minnal Murali, fantastic. so many people were asking like when we will have our own real superhero, and also the super hit superhero. Finally, it comes from Tavino Thomas. Fantastic! Congratulations and thank you for coming here, Tavino. I mean, for a filmmaker, there is nothing more happier than when his film travels to all nooks and corners of the country. And I'm so happy that all my films for the past 10 years have been doing very well. Dheera has done fantastically well here. Icha has done fantastically well here. Bahubali 1, Bahubali 2, and now we are coming with RRR. I hope the love and affection of all the Keralites will be shown equally to RRR also. Thank you very much for all the love and also expecting more and love and support from you. And for you, I am bringing you two super powerhouses of from Telugu. My brothers, my friends, my family members, NTR and Ram Charan. I mean, I have a very good connection with Kerala because, of course, I did my first film with NTR, student number 1. But the real success that I have got is with Simhadri. And Simhadri, we shot in Kerala for 20-25 days. Singamalai is from the land of Kerala. And I'm so happy that we are back here. So many good memories. We were discussing how we were able to shoot in front of the assembly. Tarak was holding an axe with blood on his all over him and chasing goons in front of the assembly. Now we had all those memories from back those days. And then my first entry as a director into Kerala was with Dheera, with Sharan, Magadhira in Telugu. So Kerala really opened the doors for me. I'm again saying I am expecting the same kind of love and support for RRR. Jan 7th, we are coming to the theatres, hoping to enthrall you all. Thank you very much. Namaskaram.
Hello, Kerala. Thank you so much, Kerala. Thank you so much, Trivandrum. I know a lot of films are films from Dheera. We've been releasing here. You really embraced us. Romba blessings and love you gave us. But I've never come here and did a function like this. Rajmouli Garu always told me, Charan, if they've given you so much love, you should go to their city and show back that love. And thanks to Rajmouli Garu, with RRR, with my brother, with Dane Garu and Shibu sir's presence, we are all here. Thank you so much. Firstly, I want to thank Shibu sir for presenting this film. I'm sure you'll give us a fantastic release and I hope you make a lot of money. Alage, I truly can't miss DVV Dane Garu. I call him the dynamic producer. Thank you, Dane Garu. And the one man, the reason why my brother Tarak and I are here, SS Rajmouli Garu. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity with RRR, with my brother, to come and meet my Kerala brothers and sisters here. Love you so much. Thank you. It was a pleasure. Everybody says, what is RRR for you? For me, RRR is living my dream. It is my dream I'm living with RRR. I wish this movie does really well in Kerala. And thank you, Toby sir, for coming here. I can hear your applause when they shout your name. The new superhero, they say. I wish you all the best. Thanks for coming here. It means a lot. Aakhar ki, finally, I wish the whole team of RRR all the best. And finally, my brother, my NTR. In Telugu, if I have to say, I want to say, my other half, Nalo Unko Bhago, my second half is my brother. Without my brother, this movie will not happen. Inta, I enjoy panno in the film. If there's anything I will take back in memories, apart from the super success report you'll give me, is my brotherhood with Tarak Ramarao. Thank you, Ramar. Thank you so much. And I don't think they simply say Kerala is God's own country. I can see why. Your city, your state is so beautiful. I have come here many times. Your food is so beautiful. Your people show so much love. And finally, you make one of the finest cinemas in the country. We love your films, we love your directors, we love your actors. We are inspired by every film you make. Your best technicians you have. Keep it going, keep inspiring us. Malayalam industry, we love you. And finally, to all the Malayalam fans who came to bless us, I really, I don't have any words. Thank you for giving us this love. And we will continue to do very good films and get your blessings as well. Love you. And చాలా దూరం నుంచి వచ్చిన మా తారక రామారావు అభిమానులకి మా అభిమానులు అందరికీ పేరున మీ అందరికీ చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ. చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ. And to all the guests who are here, thank you so much for coming. Love you.
Thank you, Ram Charan Garu. So spoken and humble, he needs no introduction. Following in on his grandfather's footsteps into the industry and ruling it, he is called Junior NTR for a reason. He is the true heir to his grandfather's throne in the Telugu industry and without a doubt, the young tiger of the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Junior NTR in the flesh.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, one and only NTR Superstar.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Trivandrum. First of all, I would like to thank the Malayalam film industry, the Kerala state, for one thing. If Tamil Nadu gave shelter to the film industry, Kerala gave birth to the technology of film industry. Some of the great technicians, this land has given birth to some of the greatest technicians and actors of Indian cinema. Hats off to the state. Hats off to the people of this state. It's called God's own country because the people of this state are like gods. This is not the first time this state has loved films and blessed films. This state had blessed a lot of technicians and sent them across the globe. This state was the first state to embrace films for other languages as well. First of all, thank you so much for being so broad-minded and so kind to all the languages other than Malayalam as well. Well, now that I've thanked the state of Kerala and the beautiful people of the state of Kerala, I would really like to thank Shibu Tameen sir for bringing me back to Trivandrum again. My first blockbuster ever in my life. My connection with what bonded me and Rajamouli more was Simhadri, and that movie was shot here. For me, it is so nostalgic to come back to this beautiful city called Trivandrum. I would really want to thank you for making this happen, sir. I don't know when I would have ever come, and thanks to Rajamouli sir for not making Triple R. I will not thank him for that. I will do that later when the movie releases, and it's blockbuster written on that film for sure. But I would like to thank him to have brought me and Charan back to Trivandrum here again. You know, if he didn't push us to promote this film, if he didn't open the doors of promoting film all over the country, we wouldn't have been here. Thank you, Jakanna, for that. And thank you, sir. Thank you for presenting this film. And I know what passion you have for films. I just happened to meet your family and you were wonderful, Ria. You were just, I just couldn't imagine you on, I mean, like I never thought you would speak like that. You just set the stage on fire. And Ridu is there, my brother. All the best. We had a great chat with you. All the best for your future endeavors. And one day I want you to see you on a stage like this. I'm sure you will achieve that. Thank you so much. So thank you again, sir, for presenting this film. Please sit down, sir. I'm sure this film is going to rock. And I'm sure you will present many more successful films like this. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to thank Danaya Garu for making this extravaganza possible, for dreaming. I don't know if he dreamed of Triple R, bringing two superstars together or two stars together. I never thought he would have. But for the patience he had with my director here, S.S. Rajamouli, finally I think in history even Danaya Garu will be remembered for this fantastic film which is coming towards you. I would really like to thank my brother here. I finally called you brother. My brother Tovino. What a versatile actor. I don't want to sit down here and start talking about your acting talent because this is the only option I have right now. But I will come back to you. I want to sit and really talk to you about your versatility. I really love your versatility. I mean, I don't know if it's the state. I don't know if it's the people you have, the versatility. Call it Mohanlal sir, call it Mammootty sir. I mean, Dulquer, Fahad sir, you. I mean, there's so much of a versatility in you really, and the actors which this mother called Kerala State has produced are fantastic, and you're one of them. Congratulations for the super hit Minnal Murli. We will meet soon, my brother. Thank you so much for gracing our event here and blessing us, because every blessing is very important for us. And well, finally, I would like to, not finally, last but not the least, my Jakanna. Jakanna is one of the best sculptor in India, and I don't know why, I just felt like calling him in the first movie itself. And truly a sculptor, a director, a filmmaker, the only filmmaker who could manage to erase the boundaries of regional films and make it one big Indian film industry today. We are all sitting here, we are all sitting down here together, sharing this equation with each and every actor. It's only purely because of one filmmaker's dream. Thank you, Jakanna, now for bringing back the lost glory of Indian cinema, having multi-starrers. We've seen so many multi-starrers when we were young, and I don't know why, for a reason it just vanished, and today you're bringing it back. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my name also, along with my brother, my Charan here, in the pages of history. Thank you so much. And my other half. Well, if you ask me which half Charan is, this or this, I would say it's the left half because my heart is right there. So, I mean, I really don't want to say a lot about our friendship, our bonding, because I really don't want it to make I don't want it to make a publicity stunt, because we are not friends because of Triple R, but we've been friends, and we being friends had made Triple R possible. So I don't want to say a lot about our bond, but thank you, God, thank you, fans, for supporting us, for giving this 200 odd days to spend with my brother here. ఎవరో అమ్మ తెలుగులో అడిగారు. దేవుడికి ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్తున్నాను. 200 రోజులు నా బ్రదర్తో కూర్చొని గడిపే క్షణాలు నాకు ఇచ్చినందుకు. ఈ బంధం కేవలం RRRతో ముగిసిపోతుందని నేను అనుకోవట్లేదు, ఎందుకంటే ఈ బంధం స్టార్టెడ్ బిఫోర్ RRR. So I'm praying God, I'm praying all the fans here to pray that we stay together for a very, very, very long time in our lives. Well, having said all this, అభిమానులు చాలా దూరం నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చారు. దయచేసి రామ్ చరణ్ అభిమానులు ఇద్దరిని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాను, జాగ్రత్తగా ఇంటికి వెళ్ళండి. We have Trovino Brothers fans also here. Please, everyone, I know it's a very joyous moment to see all of us together, but please get back home safe because you're all very important for us. మీ అందరూ మాకు చాలా ముఖ్యం. దయచేసి జాగ్రత్తగా ఇంటికి వెళ్తారు అని I pray that you reach home safely. Thank you so much. Thank you once again, Kerala. Thank you, Jakanna. Thank you, Shibu sir, for giving me this opportunity of standing in front of you and addressing you people. Thank you.
Thank you, Rockstar.
കേട്ട് പഠിക്കുന്നതല്ല, എഴുതി പഠിക്കുന്നതല്ല, പറഞ്ഞു പഠിക്കുന്നതാണ് കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേറ്റീവ് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്. ഇനി ലൈവായി ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പഠിക്കാം CC ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഹബിലൂടെ.